Ayaw eh.
Hey guys! So it's a cooking show ng the ShianSisters. Uy!
This is what we're making. Hot dog, but make it extra. Cheesy garlic hot dog. It's like this.
So, guys, sorry guys.
God bless me.
Ano yun? Kasali yun sa ingredients, guys.
So we're making it now. We have the ingredients. We have mayonnaise, hot dog, mozzarella cheese, butter, and garlic. Actually, I made the ingredients that we don't have, which is egg yolk, because we're out of stock sa eggs, and parsley. Let's chop the garlic.
Let's go.
It looks like this. Actually, na siya tanawon. Nam.
Guys, inuutusan na ako ni Angie.
Alam nga naman, tanaw ra ka, kaon ray mo ambag, di ba? Ako na nga nagluto, hindi ka patutulong. I'm going to open this up and cut them. No, actually not cut. I think luto sa din nato daan.
Oh, luto na ang hotdog.
Wa kan ingon. Hay nako. Ang ate guys, kaon ra intang.
Kaon rang ang ambag, guys. So, ganyan. Si Angie. Hugasan mo muna, uy.
Matsahoy, tago.
Sige, guys. Ako maghugas.
Butan. Give me hit.
Tree.
How many hot dogs ate?
Kahit ilan. Mahugas na, guys.
Gusto ang gawin mo lakaw. Teka na, look at my slippers. Tap, tap. Like that, right? You know, it's breaking down. Wash ako ng hands, oh.
Hindi ko ram tali ng stick.
Yeah, you have a point.
So, we're making tanuni.
Ini-enjoy isa without my permission. Natinga ko asa. Go, bro! It works! We're good at this. Friends.
Ako?
Hey!
Para siyang wine.
Can I try that angulo? Red wine.
Di ba mo wine? Here. Ito yung gawa namin. Sige guys, sabihin natin.
Bro, sarap. You love garlic. Bread alone and the mayo tsaka may butter alone is good. Rate 1 to 10.
Ako? 9.
Actually, ko expect na na siya.
Nga, alam mo.
8 out of 10. Good.
Gosh, ang sarap. Hatiin ko lang ha.
Cotton candy, bro.
Ate, taste it.
Lamig, te. Ma-order jud ka na mo, te.
What if imong ipon?
Huh?
Diba wala nito?
Bye. Ayaw, basa imong kamot, te. iPhone na, iPhone.